Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken jhol. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. You'll need about 5 pounds of bone-in chicken, 2 large onions, 3 ripe tomatoes, and 4 green chilies. Don't forget your essential spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder, plus a good ginger garlic paste for that authentic flavor. This preparation makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's build our flavor base. Heat 3 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and sauté them patiently until they turn a beautiful golden brown, which brings out their sweetness. Then, stir in the ginger garlic paste and green chilies, cooking for about 2 minutes until fragrant. This step is crucial for a rich and aromatic jhol. Now it's time for the star of the dish. Add your chicken pieces to the pot and cook them until they are lightly browned on all sides. This helps seal in the juices. Next, incorporate all your dry spices along with the chopped tomatoes, stirring well to coat everything. Finally, pour in 2 cups of water, bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To finish your delicious chicken jhol, garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro just before serving. This adds a burst of freshness and a lovely aroma. Serve your hot jhol with steamed rice, naan, or your favorite flatbread for a complete and satisfying meal. For those who love to plan ahead, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade chicken jhol.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.